In this video, I have reviewed and ranked 5 best SEO tools with the lifetime deal. So I am right now on the Appsumo and if I just check the SEO category, we have the 24 tools here, and every tool can give you or solve any one SEO action for you. For example, if you want to improve your website speed and performance, there is a tool available. If you want to remove all the SEO errors and the audit your website, there is a tool available. If you want to improve your URLs that is looks long and ugly, there's a tool available to make them short and the beautiful here. So just checking out every tool one by one and investing your time and the efforts can give you the headache here. That's why I have just created this video here. In this video, I have listed out 5 of my best SEO tools that I am also using for me and for my clients in the last 1 year. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. The first tool we have is the ClickRank. This is one of my favorite tools because with it, in the one click, I can improve my SEO for my website here. So this is how this platform looks like. You have to just add your website in this platform. First, let me log in it. Okay, so let me log in here. So here you can see you can just add the many website in this platform, and for every website you can do the multiple things. First of all, its key feature is that you can optimize and audit all of the SEOs and check it out what thing that stopping you ranking higher on the search engines. And not only that, this is the era of the AI search and the Google overview. So if you want to also improve your chances and the possibility to mention your website and the article or the contact on the AI search, it will show you how you can do that. So the tool is really amazing. Right now, its dashboard is loading here, but once it's load up, you will see and be amazed of the power of this tool here. So here first you have to add your website. You can add it here in the new website, and once it is done, it will start showing up the issues, the total clicks, impressions, and the what keyword is driving you most of the traffic for you. So right now my website health score is the 100%. That's why it is the 100%. But if you have the any issue, it will start appearing up here. Once you connected your site, simply click here on the view report here. Now it will show up all the pages with the different SEO issues that your website is facing. And here's the best part. Once this issue will start showing up, you will instantly get to know, like, you have the title improved needed, you have the any broken link, broken page available. So might be possible you cannot able to track them manually here. You have to go to check out the website. Okay, that's why a really good SEO tool is needed here. So you will see the SEO errors like this here, and there's the one click optimization available. So simply if you are checking out any issues, right now there's the missing link titles in my website here. Okay, so that this issue is not that much of the important, that's why it's in the yellow. Okay, so it's basically divide the SEO issues in the 3 sections, red, yellow, and the green. The red is the highly important factor that you need to improve. Okay, so right now I am on the yellow. That is not kind of that much of the important, that's why it's in the yellow. Okay, no worries. So this is all the important link title that is missing. So what I can do, simply click here on the solve all, and now it is going to add and solve these issues. So okay, so this is the power of the ClickRank. In the one single click, I can just improve all these issues here. That is super amazing thing. Okay, there's the bulk optimization available. Okay, there's the performance or the keywords you can track. And one more core feature that I really enjoyed here is the possibility to check is your website and the content is really ready to rank on the or able to monitored in the AI search engines like the ChatGPT, Cloudy, Gemini or not. Okay, so that thing I will show you here. You can see here that is the AI compatibility section. So here you have to just add your website URL. It will analyze that and show you the issues why your website is not getting mentioned or able to get the seen in the AI search or the Google overviews. Okay, so this is loading here. I know this takes a lot of the time to loading this section, but it is manageable because tool is powerful here. So this is the ClickRank. Starting from the $79 you can get its lifetime deal here. Yeah, this is load up here. You have to simply add the website URL here and start analyze. It will show you all this stuff. Okay, so this is really cool platform and I think you should not miss it out here. Next tool we have the local rank tracker. This amazing SEO tool can help you to rank your local business instantly on the Google Maps or the Bing Maps here. So this is how its platform looks like. You have to simply add your different businesses. I have added so many my clients businesses here, and I am just offering this service as a business for them. So what you will do, you have to just add the keywords here, and this once you have linked your profile here, what you have to do, you have to go on this statics report here. Now here it will show you everything, like what is your reputation review here, how many the profiles you are getting here, how many the calls you are getting, website clicks, driving registration, all these things you can instantly check it out here. So how you can just link your profile, you have to go to the profile and group, and here you have to link that Google account in which all of your businesses is available. So this is my limit. I can add up to the 1 million businesses here. So I have the highest limit of the local rank tracker. And not only that, you can also just reply your reviews and the ratings with the one click using the AI. There's the post you can generate with the AI. There's the questions you can generate, give them the answers, and there's the dedicated report section available that you can also use as the white label here. So the platform is so much powerful, and this is the only tool on the lifetime deal for the local businesses SEO I have found on the internet here. So starting from the $59, you can get the local rank tracker, and they just consistent give you the updates about the platforms. And recently they have also launched the so many crazy features here. So I suggest check it out, this tool here. Next tool is one of my favorite, that is the SiteGuru. With this tool you can do the SEO audits, find out all the possible SEO errors you are getting, and then with a single click you can solve them. Pretty much similar to the ClickRank, but this tool gives you the more edge compared to the ClickRank. Let me show you out. So once you log in on this platform, you have to connect your website using a script code. You can do that. I have already connected all of my website here, and it constantly let me know what are the SEO issues my website is facing, and what are the pages that is losing the keywords and the traffic here. It will just show me everything here. Right now you can see this is the focus keyword, this is the top pages, this is my site health here. I have the 2 broken links it is giving me out. Okay, so I can instantly check it out. This is the broken links, and if I want to just improve it, I have to just simply open up here. Okay, and I have to find out that this particular link is broken, so I have to find this link on my website here, and that way I can remove, and this issue will be solved. Okay, so that is how this SiteGuru website works out and help you. Not only that, you can just improve your SEO issues, you can also check it out that content needed the optimization. Just go to the content optimization, audit your all of the content, and now you will instantly get to know that these pages are losing the traffic in presence, so you need to optimize the content here. Okay, so this is the SiteGuru. Starting from the $79 you can get the lifetime access, and for this Black Friday you can get the 10% extra discount. So all the tools I have showed you right now, you can get the link in the description, and I have also created dedicated detailed videos on this that you can find on my channel. Next tool, with the help of you can improve your website speed and optimize for ranking faster and loading up fast for your viewers here. So this is the BerqWP. All you have to just get this tool here, install on your website. If you have the WordPress site, you can install its plugin, but if you have the any other custom coding website, you can add the script and it is connected. Now everything is done with this single click. Once your site is connected, simply click start optimizing. It will improve the speed and get you the rating of the 99 in the Google page speed. Definitely this tool, check it out. Next tool is the all-in-one SEO tool, that is the Semdash. If you heard of the Semdash, this is the pretty much similar to the Semdash that is offering the so much crazy SEO features, like the keyword analysis you can do, backlinks analysis you can do the competitor analysis. You can also check it out the pages by traffic for the competitors, and this is all the key features. You can check it out here. Okay, so really amazing tool. And not only that, they have also starting to add the more amazing features, like we have right now is the Google AI mode that will help you to analyze the AI SEO for you. You can instantly check it out, your visibility overview here. Simply add the domain name and it will start analyzing your website. It has so many crazy features that I cannot just explain in this short time. That's why I have also created a detailed video and this Semdash that you can find link in the description. So all these tools I have showed you right now. Again, I want to tell you the link is given in the description. As for the Semdash, there's also the Chrome extension available, and with the Chrome extension, it will instantly let you analyze the meta titles and the tags for your any of the page or for any for the competitor here. So again, really amazing tool, starting from the just $69 you can get this tool here on the Appsumo. So these are the 5 best SEO tools with the lifetime deal I am just using consistently for me and for my clients, and I also suggest you for this Black Friday you can get it with the extra discount. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and get this channel subscribed so stay updated to all my new and the latest content. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.